Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into a common programming problem that you might encounter along the way. The issue we're tackling revolves around a scenario where you're working with certain metrics in C# and are faced with a particular challenge. So, let's delve into the details of this problem. In terms of the solution, there are a couple of key points to consider. First and foremost, when you're dealing with the addition of a metric and a nullable metric in C#, the result may end up being null due to lifted operators. However, if you want to trigger an exception instead, you can opt to add the nullable metric's value explicitly. Additionally, the order of operations is crucial here. Combining the metric and nullable metric with a null coalescing operator evaluates as expected due to the operator precedence in C#. To avoid exceptions and ensure a smooth flow in your code, you may want to consider the nuances highlighted in the C# documentation. In summary, addressing the problem at hand involves understanding the intricacies of lifted operators and operator precedence in C#. By staying mindful of these factors, you can navigate such situations with ease and efficiency. As we wrap up, I encourage you to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, happy coding!